sound head, an honest heart, and a humble spirit are the three best guides through time and to eternity. Success or failure in business is caused more by the mental attitude even than by mental capacity. For success, attitude is equally as important as ability. He that climbs a ladder must begin at the first round. War is the only game in which both sides lose. Sleep in peace and wake in joy. Great talent has always a little madness mixed up with it. Success, keeping your mind awake and your desire asleep. Greatness of any kind has no greater fool than a habit of drinking. Discretion is the perfection of reason and a guide to us in all the beauties of life. The man who is deserving the name is the one whose thought and accession are for others rather than for himself. Steady of heart and start of hand. Cats are mysterious kind of frog. To all, to each, a fair good night, and pleasing dreams and slumber light. Heaven knows its time. The bullet has its billet. We will statue of the snow and weep to see them melt. Nothing is more completely the child of art than a garden.